Hello. I'd like to give a brief update today as to exactly where I'm at. Weather here has been, well, we've had two kinds of weather, clouds and rain, no clear skies. If I was wealthy, I'd move to a mountain in the Andes so far away from the nearest road or town I'd have to take a helicopter to get to my house. That way my 6-inch Newtonian would give good views. But I'm not rich. Here's my list, my to-do list. I still haven't finished my StarSense 114 review. I've got the thing assembled right there, but I haven't been able to take it out and look at the sky. I also need to do a review of my C6-A XLT Schmidt Cassegrain by Celestron. My most versatile scope, by the way. Come to think of it, my most expensive optical tube as well. I'm currently, at this very moment, in fact, working on a video to show how to collimate a Newtonian with a Cheshire eyepiece or collimation cap. I did a little video on collimating with a laser collimator, but I haven't done one on how to collimate with a laser or with a Cheshire eyepiece. I plan on doing a video on how to collimate an SCT, which is significantly more difficult than collimating a Newtonian, and how to collimate a hyperstar, which isn't all that hard, but it's really scary looking. I've got enough photos to do, well, I've got a half dozen, I don't know if that's enough, to do a C90 photo album. So I can show the kind of photographs that a C90 can take. I'm still working on my SVBony 715C photo collection and evaluation. I did a quick review on that when it first came out. For whatever reason, they didn't give me an owner's manual when I bought the thing. So I was just guessing at a lot of stuff. The few clear nights I've had, I've done a whole lot of experimentation with that and found out some neat stuff I can give in my evaluation once I have an adequate number of photographs to show. And I've been considering buying an SVBony SV520 telescope. That could be the best telescope of 2025 for a beginner. It seems to have everything you need, including slow motion controls on both axes, a nice optical tube, little thing where you put your cell phone and use an app, and there's several of them available so you can find stuff in the sky. It just looks like a really, and it's only like $223. It looks like possibly the best beginner scope around. I've watched a couple other people's reviews on it. I haven't made up my mind yet, because one of the things I've noticed is when the wind's kind of blowing, it's very light. Not much heavier than the tripod I've got this camera on. When the wind's kind of blowing, your view kind of waves around. When you touch it, it jiggles. So I don't know. The reason that I stumbled across it, I was looking for an alt-azimuth mount for folks who don't want computerized mounts. Most mounts nowadays are computerized, but there are a few Luddites out there who prefer manual stuff. And they're the medium or heavy alt-azimuth mounts with slow motion controls are kind of expensive. And then I saw one that SV Boney came out with. It's only $243, and it looks pretty good. It costs more than this telescope kit does with the mount and tripod and telescope, but it's medium weight, about 22 pounds max instead of 12 pounds max like the light mount. So I'm not sure what to do with anything there. Still trying to pay off my credit cards from all the other stuff I bought. Anyway, so that's where I'm at right now. So I'll go back to making my video on how to collimate Newtonians with a Cheshire eyepiece and collimation cap. Then I'll see if I can get my C90 photos video together. And then if any clear weather comes up anytime soon, my Starsense 114 is next on my list. So until I see you again, happy trails.